Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So today we are going to discuss a question which is n-queens branch and bound. In this question, what we have to do is we have to place queens in such a way that no any queen would kill each other. Like what? Suppose this is our n cross n matrix, and in this matrix we need to place n queens. That is, this is 4 cross 4 matrix. So in this 4 cross 4 matrix, we need to place 4 queens. In each row, we need to place a queen. We need to place a single queen in each row. All right. So how can we place these queens? Suppose we have placed a queen here. Then we need to check in the column. Then we don't need to, before that, we don't need to place any more queen in this row. Then we will jump to next row. In the next row, before placing any queen, we will check that if there is any queen present in this column. Yes, it is, there is a queen present, then we will go to next. Here we will again check if any queen can kill us diagonally. You would know, if you have played chess, then you would know that queen can kill any in 8 directions. Here, here, here. All right, in these 8 directions, any queen can kill anyone. All right, so if we place the second queen here, then it would be killed by this queen. If we place it here, then it will be again killed by this queen. Then we need to place this queen here. All right, then we will jump to next row. In this row, we will check here, this queen will kill us. Here, this will kill us. Here, this will kill us. Here again, this will kill us. Then we need to backtrack from here. And we need to change the position of the first queen, as we have placed to that queen at this position, and at this position we are not able to place any queen in this row, so we will try to place this at this position. Now after this position, we need to check for next queen in this row. Here we can't place any queen, here not here, not here. We can place here, so we will place here. Again we will check for this row. We can place a queen here. Now jump to next row. We cannot place here, not here, not here. Here this will kill us. Here no any queen is going to kill us, so we can place here. All right, so we have placed all our 4 queens in all the rows of this 4 cross 4 matrix. So this could be our answer. All right, but how can we achieve this? How are we going to achieve this? We need to check in which direction. We need to check. We need to check in column. We need to check diagonally. We need to check in both the diagonals, this or this. So and this is the reverse diagonal, this is the normal diagonal. So in both the diagonals, we need to check that no any queen would present. If that's the case, then we can place any queen. Otherwise, we cannot place any queen there. All right. So now let's see how can we achieve that? How we are going to do that? We will here. I'm going to draw another matrix. All right. So here 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Now here we will just put our queen in such a positions that no any queen will kill each other. All right. So for that, first we will check in column. For that, I'm going to create an array, or we can say vector. So in this, this will be the size of column 0 1 2 3. Okay. Now, if we are placing any queen here, then I'm going to mark this position as true. Uh, uh, why am I marking it this as true? That if I'm marking this position as true, that means we are not allowed to place any queen in this row, in this column. All right, we are not allowed to place any queen in this column number 0. In this column we cannot place any queen. So if I'm marking this position as true, that means we are not allowed to place any queen here. All these blocks will be blocked for future, for placing any queen. All right, now we are going to check from here. We will not check here because this block is already blocked. So we are going to check from here. If we want to place any queen here, then this queen will kill us. For that, we need to uh, get a track of diagonals also. Like we are tracking columns, we need to get a track for columns, diagonals also. For diagonals, what we are going to do? See, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here, first I'm talking about normal diagonal. In this, I'm going to write row plus column values inside the blocks. Row plus column 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, and 3 plus 3, 6. This is 5. Alright. So here you can see that there's a diagonally all the values are similar. 1, 0, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So diagonally all the values are similar here. So I'm going to create an vector of size 7. How am I finding the size? 2 cross n minus 1. We need to create an vector of 2 cross n minus 1. I am using vector here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now let's draw another diagonal, which is reverse diagonal. For that we will going to check r minus c. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. In this we need to place the value r minus c. Here r minus c will be 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 3 minus 3. But can you see we are going to create an array, but of the size present here. But how am I supposed to create an array with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3? Can I start in my indexing from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in my array? If not, then why am I placing these values? I would not be able to find in which cell, in which column I'm going to put my queen or not. So for that, what I'm going to do is, see, what I will do here is, I will write r minus c plus board dot length. I'm sorry, not length. In C++, it will be size. C board dot size minus 1. Alright, so here r minus c 0 minus 0 0 plus board dot size size is 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 3, it will be 3. Again 0 minus 1 plus 3, 2. 0 minus 2 plus 3, 1. 0 minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Here 1 minus 0, 1 plus 3, it will be 4. 1 minus 1, 0 plus 3, it will be 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3, it will be 2. 1 minus 3 plus 2, 1 minus 3 plus 3, that means minus 2 plus 3, it will be 1. Now here 2 minus 0, it will be 2, plus 3, it will be 5. 2 minus 1, 1, plus 3, 4. 2 minus 2, 0, plus 3, it will be 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 will be 2. 3 minus 0, 3, plus 3, it will be 6. 3 minus 1, 2, plus 3, it will be 5. 3 minus 2, 1, plus 3, it will be 4. 3 minus 3 plus 3, it will be 3. So let me just rub these rough work from here. All right, so now are you able to see the reverse diagonal here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can create an array for reverse diagonal also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. All right, so now if I'm going to place my queen here, then I'm going to mark true at the position 1. If I'm going to place my queen here, then I'm going to mark true at position 4. This diagonal will be blocked. If I'm going to place my queen here, then this diagonal will be blocked. So I cannot place my queen here. In future, I will not be able to place my queen here because here we have already marked true for 4. Similarly, if we have placed any queen here, then we are going to mark true at 4. If we have placed any queen here, then we are going to mark true at 3. Now, if I'm going to place any queen here, then this will not allow me to place any queen here. This true will not allow me to place any queen here. All right. Now, let's see the dry run. Then I hope you will be able to understand better. Let's do the dry run for this question. All right. All right. Here I will draw the matrix for placing our queen. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make the array for column 0 1 2 3. This is for normal diagonal 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this one is for reverse diagonal 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, 0 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now if I want to place my queen here, all right, I have placed my queen here. Now I need to mark true at the column. Here I have marked true. I need to mark true at the diagonal. This is for normal diagonal, this is for reverse diagonal, and this is for column. All right, in the normal diagonal I need to mark true at 0 0. In the reverse diagonal I need to mark true at 3 3. Now this position is blocked for me. I cannot place in row because I need to place one queen in one row. So because of this true, I would be not able to place any queen in this column. And because of this true, I would not be able to place any queen in this diagonal. And because of this true, I will not be able to place any queen in this diagonal. All right. So in the second row, from where I'm going to check, from this position, my queen will be safe here. So I'm going to place my queen here and mark true here 3 2. All right, now this column will be blocked, this diagonal will be blocked, and this diagonal will be blocked. Now if I will check in this row, all the blocks are already blocked here, so I would not be able to place any queen here. So for that, what I will do, I will backtrack from here because I have placed my queen at wrong position. So I need to backtrack. Now follow normal diagonal and reverse diagonal. Firstly, I have placed my queen here. Now I will try to place my queen here. From here I will check. From here I will mark all the position true. For this diagonal 1, for this diagonal is 2. So now what I will do, I will check, I will block these marks. First of all, I will block all these paths. Now I will check in this row. I can place my queen here. All right, again I have to mark true in this, at this position 4, and for this 1. All right, again all the paths will be blocked after I place my queen here. Now I need to check in third row. I can place my queen here. So here I have placed my queen. Again mark true for this position. For this diagonal it is true 2. For this diagonal it is 5. All right, so I need to block the path. Now in the last row I'm going to check. I can't place my queen here. Column is already marked true. For this we have already marked, column is already marked true. Diagonal is also marked true for this position 4. Now I will check for this. Here I can put my queen because no any true mark is present at this position. So if I am putting my queen here, that means now can you see my all the 4 queens have been placed. So I don't need to do any further work. All the positions will be marked true for this position, for this condition also. Now I don't need to do any further work because all my 4 queens have already been placed safely. No any queen will going to kill each other because all the queens are already placed at the safest position. All right. Now let's try to code. First of all, we are going to run a loop for all the columns. For column is equals to 0, col is less than board dot size for plus plus. All right. Now we need to check if in whichever column we are placing our queen, if that column is safe or not. That means if it is already marked true or not. If it is already marked true, then we don't need to put my queen at that position. If it is false, then we are going to put our queen there. False, call. If not, then it's okay. If not for normal diagonal, then again it's okay. It will be row plus call. And if not for reverse diagonal, it will be row plus row minus column plus board dot size minus 1. If no any true is present at these positions, then what we are going to do, we are going to mark, first of all we are going to mark board row call as true. That why? Because we are going to place our queen at this position, and while backtracking we are going to put false at this position. All right, same goes for columns. We are going to mark true at that column, and while backtracking I'm sorry, while backtracking uh, Control C, we are going to mark false. All right, so we have marked true at column. Now similarly we need to mark true at normal diagonal, which is row plus column is equals to true. And while backtracking, again we need to mark false. Now similarly it goes for reverse diagonal, which is row minus column plus board dot size minus 1 as true, and while backtracking we need to mark it false. Now we will simply call our function and pass board row plus 1, so that it will going, because we need to place one queen in a single row. So next row we need to call the next we need to go to the next row. So for that we are row plus 1 columns, and a normal diagonal, reverse diagonal, answer so far. In answer so far we need to add our answer to string row plus dash this dash is just for answer formatting, plus to string call plus comma space. All right, so that's it. Now for base condition, if we have reached to the end of the board, if row is equals to board dot size, then we will simply print our answer so far dot enter, and then we will return. All right, so that's it. Let's try to run. We are just simply checking in the column, in the normal diagonal or in the reverse diagonal, that if any queen is present there, then we will simply return from that position. Line number 14. All right, we haven't tried. Let's do run again. We need to put the equals to here also. Run. Successful. Let's try to submit. All the test cases have been passed. So I hope you have understand what we have done here. Do try run on your own also, and see the previous see the video again if you haven't understood what I have done. See the dry run, do the dry run on yourself. We'll meet in another question. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much.